According to this lab activity, the computer teacher has assigned a project work to Megha and her group to create the given worksheet, and they have to prepare the separate chart report in the following basis. This task we have to perform in the MS Excel. Let's go to the MS Excel. MS Excel is started. Now you have to prepare this worksheet, or you can get the worksheet from your lab activities folder if it is available in your computer. I have already prepared this worksheet. Now let's start to work. Number A, create a default column chart with suitable style. Select the data range. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Chart Flyer button. Now this is the default chart. Now click the OK button. Now look here. The default chart is inserted. Number B, add charts elements such as axis title, chart title, data labels, data tables, grid lines, and legend. Now click on this button. Now look here. Different types of chart elements are appeared in this panel. Now select the axis title. Now type the suitable axis title over here. Select it and delete. Now start to type. I like to type sales amount. Now next is chart title. Chart title is appeared over here. Now select it. Now give the suitable title. I like to give Ganapati Rice Mill Regional Sales Report. Next we have to add data labels. Click on this button. Now select the data labels option. Now look here. Data are appeared with the chart. Next one, data tables. Select the data tables from here. Now look here. Data table is appeared. Now add the grid lines. Click on this button. Now look here. Grid lines is already selected, and that grid lines are appeared with the chart. Finally, add the legends. This legend is also already selected, and these data legends are appeared over here. Next, number C, format your chart with desired predefined layout type. Select this chart. Now click the Design tab. Click the Change Chart Type option. Now different types of predefined layouts are over here. Anyone you can select. I like to select this one. Now its sub options are over here. I select it and click the OK button. Look here, its layout is changed. Now number D, change the chart type into line chart. Now look here, make sure chart is selected. Now click the change chart type option. Now select the all charts. Now select line. Now select the layout of line chart. I select this one. Now select its type. I select this one. Now click the OK button. Now look here, chart is changed into the line chart. Now next, number E, insert a combo chart. Now I select the next worksheet. Select the data range. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Chart Flyer button from Charts group of Insert tab. Now click the All Charts tab. Select the Combo option. Now select the type of combo. I select this one. Now click the OK button. Now look here, combo chart is inserted. Next, number F, prepare the column chart by switching row column. Now I select the next worksheet. Select the data range. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Chart Flyer button from Charts group of Insert tab. click the All Charts tab. Now column is selected. Over here we have to prepare the column chart. Now select the layout of column. I select this one. Select the type. Now I select this type. Now click the OK button. Now column chart is inserted. Now switching the row and column. Select the chart. Now click the switch row columns option from data group of design tab. Now look here, it is switched row to column and column to row. Next, number G, move the created chart in the new location. Select the chart and click and hold the mouse button and move the chart in the desired location and release the mouse button. Now look here, our chart is moved over here. Next, number 8, set the automatic chart update feature in the worksheet, then add more to records and prepare the bar chart with appropriate chart elements. Now I select the next worksheet. To add the automatic update feature in chart, place the cursor in the data of the worksheet. I place over here. Go to the home tab. It is already selected. Click the format as drop down table button and select the table style. I select this one. Now format as table dialog box is appeared. Make sure my table has a headers is checked. If we have got the headers in the table, we have got a headers with this data, so we must check this option. Now click the OK button. Now insert the chart. Go to the insert tab. Click the charts flyer button and I select this default chart. Click the OK button. Now chart is inserted. I am moving this chart over here. Now we have to add more records. Look here, we have added these two items. One is Pokhreli and another is Marci. It is automatically update in our chart. Look here, Pokhreli and Marci. In this way, as soon as you add the records in the table, your chart will be automatically updated. Now let's change the chart type. Go to the change chart type option. Select the all charts tab. It is already selected. Click the bar option. Now select the bar chart layout. I select this one and select its type. I select this type and click the OK button. Now look here, column chart is changed into the bar chart. Now let's add more charts elements. Click over here and add the axis title. Click over here. Now axis title is appeared. Now select it and type the axis title. I like to type regional sales. Now change the title of this chart. Click over here and select it. Start to type. I like to type Ganapati Rice Mill Regional Sales Report. Now click on outside of this chart. Now next, number I, prepare a scatter chart. Now I select the next worksheet. Select the data range. Go to the insert tab. Click the chart flyer button from charts group of insert tab. Now click the all charts. Select the scatter option. Select the layout of chart. I select this one. Now select the its type. I select this. Click the OK button. Now scatter chart is inserted. Now number J, prepare the line chart in desired line chart style with suitable chart elements. Now I select the next worksheet. Select the data range. Go to the insert tab. Click the chart flyer button from charts group of insert tab. Click the all charts tab. Now select the line option. Now select its layout. I select this one. Now select its type. I select this type. Now click the OK button. Now line chart is inserted. Now add the chart's elements. Click on this button. Now select the axis title. Type the axis title over here. I like to type sales amount. Change the title name. Select it and press Del key from keyboard. Now type the new name. I like to type Ganapati Rice Mill Regional Sales Report. Now last one, number K. Prepare the pie chart of every rice item with chart elements, chart title, data labels and legend. Now I select the new worksheet. I insert the pie chart of first record, that is basmati rice. Select with its heading. Go to the insert tab. Click the pie chart drop down button from charts group of insert tab. I select this one. Now add the chart elements. Click over here. Now chart title. Select the data labels. Now click outside of this panel. Now look here, pie chart is inserted of first record. I like to resize it using the resizing handle. Now select the next record with heading. Select the record and hold down the control key and select the heading. Now go to the insert tab. Click the drop down button of pie charts from charts group of insert tab. Select the chart type. Now it is inserted. Now add the more elements. Click over here and chart title and legends are already selected. Select the data labels. Now click on outside of this panel. Now move this chart in the right place. I like to move this chart over here. Now resize this chart using the resizing handle. Now select the next record. Hold down the control key and select its heading. Go to the insert tab. Click the drop down button of pie charts. Select the type of pie chart. I select this one. Now to add the more charts elements, click over here. Select the data labels. Now move this chart in the proper place. I like to move over here. Resize this chart using the resizing handle. Now select the next record. Hold down the control key and select its heading. Go to insert tab. Click the pie chart drop down button. Select the pie chart type. Click over here to add more chart elements. Select the data labels. Now move this chart in the right place. I like to move over here and resize it using the resizing handle. Now select the last record. Hold down control key and select its heading. Go to the insert tab. Click the pie chart drop down button. Select the pie chart type. Now click over here to add more chart elements. Now select the data labels. Now move it in right place. I like to move over here. Resize it using resizing handle. Now look here. We have inserted the pie chart of every records. In this way, we have completed our task. You have to practice yourself to develop your skill in MS Excel after watching this video.